Hey guys, it's Rhonda, and in this video, I just want to show you this new custom GPT I have for you today. All right, this is going to be a game changer for you. You are going to be able to make clip art sets and sticker sets in seconds. You will be able to create so many different designs in such a short amount of time. It's literally going to blow you away. You can stock your entire shop in days with this new Clipart Crafter. All righty, so let me show you how it works. All we do is we come in here to the Clipart Crafter and we tell it what we want. Just the subject, vintage suitcases. All right, now it's going to ask me a question. Do I want these in watercolor, vector, semi-realistic, sticker style, or a combination of those things? And then also, would I like 11 separate prompts, or do I want a single image with all the elements grouped together, like in a sticker sheet or clip art set? We have our choice. So for this, I am going to say I want these in a watercolor sticker style and grouped together. All right. So I tell it that, and it gave me a prompt right away. And we're going to copy this prompt. And today I am using Artistly. Artistly is an image generator, but it's a one-time purchase. There's no subscription. You pay for it once and you use it forever. So, but it works really well for this type of image. Okay, so I'm going to paste my prompt in there and hit generate. And we'll give it just a second for it to do its thing. Alrighty, so that's ready, and I'll just click on the image to add it to our canvas. And there you see you have a complete set of vintage suitcase stickers that you can now take into Photopea or Photoshop to ready them and prepare them for selling. I do have a video showing how to prepare your sticker sheets using Photoshop. I will leave a link for that either up in the upper corner, and then again, I'll put it down in the description. All right, so you see how great those came out. That's just a perfect little sticker sheet. So let's go back over here and let's do this one more time. Let's do cute unicorn, and we'll enter that in. And we want this in watercolor grouped together. We're not doing a sticker sheet this time, though. This is just clip art. All right, so let's grab this. And again, we'll come back over here to Artistly, and I will also leave a link for this in the description. Like I said, this is a one-time purchase. I bought this several years ago, and it wasn't all that great, but it is really coming a long way. They're doing a lot of updates to it, and it's starting to produce some very nice clip art images. So if you're interested in it, there's a link for it in the description. And let's just give this another minute here to do its thing. Okay, and there is our set of unicorn clip art. Now, of course, from here, you would just export this and you could, do your background removal, upscaling, all that stuff in your favorite editors. This video isn't about that. It's just showing you how quickly you can generate different sets of clip art and stickers using our Clipart Crafter. Now, here's a really fun thing. If you take this prompt from the Clipart Crafter, this is our unicorn watercolor, and you take it over here to our prompt variation generator. You paste it in here, and you say, scale this prompt for different, and we had unicorns, so let's do different mythical animals, and hit enter. It is going to give you 10 more prompts for different mythical animals that you can now bring over here to Artistly or your favorite image generator, and you now have multiple sets generated that quickly. We have a griffin, a dragon, a phoenix, a centaur, fairy, mermaid, Pegasus, Cerberus, Sphinx, and a gnome. All right, so there's 10 different ones right off the bat, plus the original prompt. Okay, and here is our dragons. So just that quickly, you could be popping out full sets of clip art for a variety of different animals, different themes. Let's do this fairy one quick. And while it is generating, we're going to come back to the Clipart Crafter and we'll ask for something else. Let's do this. Let's do sunflower. Okay, and now again, it's going to ask me. So I want, for this type, I want watercolor, sticker style, and grouped together. All right. And let's copy it. And let's come back over here. And here's our fairy. Now let's paste this one in here and see what we get. But while that's doing this, we can come back here to the prompt scaler and say scale this prompt for different flowers. Paste the original prompt in there and it will give us different flowers. So this, we got poppies and daffodils and peonies and lavender, cherry blossoms, and all kinds of different flowers. So let's give this a second to do its thing and we'll check on it in just a second. All right, and here are our sunflowers. Now let's take the poppies that we got from the prompt scaler and it will make those for us. But these are adorable sunflower stickers, absolutely adorable. And you can take these into Photoshop, like I said, and just create sticker sheets from them. They're great for journaling and things like that. So there's so many different uses for the clip art and the stickers you can make from these. Let's do cute honeybee. And if you know what you want, you can just tell it right away. Cute honeybee, watercolor, sticker style, full sheet, okay? And it will just automatically give it to you. If you know exactly what you want right away going in. And here are our poppies. So there is a sheet of poppy stickers. And again, let me come in here, scale this for different insects. Hit that. Now, instead of just honeybees, we are going to have, here we go, ladybugs, butterflies, dragonflies, and we have all sorts of things. But you can just do this one right after another, just set after set after set, and you can be creating beautiful stickers and beautiful clip art sets in minutes. All right. So let me do one more for you quick, and um, let's do a cute bunny and semi-realistic. And we want it again in a full, no, let's do single images, okay? So this time it will give us 11 different prompts instead of just one. So here we have, the first one will always be the subject you asked for all by itself. And look at this, here's our butterfly sticker sheet. Beautiful, beautiful. So the first prompt, when you do single images, you'll get, the first one will always be the subject you asked for all by itself. Then each image after that will be the subject with an element that relates to it or pairs well with it. So let's give this a second to generate the bunny. Okay, here is our bunny. We went with semi-realistic. That looks fantastic. So now let's do the next prompt in that list. And this one is a cute bunny with a carrot. So let's hit generate. All righty, and here's our bunny with the carrot. And again, you're getting, 10 or 11 different prompts each time featuring the subject of your choice. And it will have different elements. This one is holding a carrot. I believe the next one I just popped in there is, here he is, a cute bunny wearing glasses. So we'll see what we get from that. Alrighty, and here is our bunny wearing the glasses. And as you create these in your image generator, like I said, now you can export it and do your editing, whatever. Now the nice part about using Artistly is I can come right over here and I can upscale this right here inside Artistly. So we'll give it a second to upscale, and that should be done. Oops, all right, and it replaced that here. And now we can come up here and we can remove the background as well. So you can do your upscaling and you can remove your background in here, and then you can just download it. In fact, let's get rid of See, we've got all these other designs behind it because we just kept loading it up. And there is our bunny. And now you can download this as a PNG and it will be transparent background. All right. Like I said, this video is not about how you save your clip art, your stickers, or anything like that. This is just about showing you how the Clipart Crafter can help you speed up your workflow and how you can create a bunch of clip art sets in no time at all. So let's do one more set before we end this. And let's do vintage women or vintage woman, watercolor style, watercolor sticker style, and we'll do full sheet. I think the full sheets are just the best way to go, but again, this gives you the option to do them in a full sheet or in individual prompts. It's up to you. So let's do this here, and we'll check that in just a second. Okay, and here we go. Here are our women in sticker form. And again, these would be absolutely beautiful for junk journals and journaling and just all kinds of things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will absolutely be leaving the link to the Clipart Crafter and the prompt variation generator for you, as well as a link to Artistly if you want to check that out as well. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.